Hello everyone, my name is Chaniwat Pongsawadan. I am a student of English major of Faculty of Humanity and Social Sciences at Panakhon Rajapat University. Today I will make a video about how to pronounce E and A vowel sound. The pronunciation of E vowel sound is the tongue is pushed forward and lower in the mouth than sound E. While the side touch the teeth and the tip is behind the lower teeth. The pronunciation of A vowel sound is the tongue is pushed forward near the tooth ridge. The side of tongue touch the teeth and the tip of the tongue is behind the lower teeth. Let's go to see the foreigner pronounce this sound.
Hi everyone, my name is Tona and you can call me Sai if you want. I have been living in Melbourne, Australia for 5 years, and today I'm going to pronounce some of the words that my friend from Thailand, his name is Nick, asked me to pronounce them for his assignment or something. But yeah, we'll start from the first word, which is big, bake, cheek, shake, pit, pate, fill, fell, gym, and germ. That would be it, and thank you so much for listening. Bye.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, of course.
Today I'm going to ask you speaking out of this word with the best pronoun between E and A. If you're ready, let's hear it.
Okay, same like big, big, chic, shake, pit, pit, feel, feel, gym, gym.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
These are the pronunciation the words of E and A vowel sound. Thank you for your attention.